Hello everyone, so in this video tutorial we're going to go through how to set up a Roku channel and how easy it is with the new OTNet API. Okay, so as you can see I've just set up a basic Roku channel and I've got a packet of Roku assets that I'm going to put at the bottom of this tutorial for you to work through. Okay, so I'm just going to go through each one of these. We're in the UK language, save. Please fill out the highlighted forms. My channel is not directed at children. Yep. Content not rated. We can rate our content, but we just put all ages. Okay, so save, and then it brings us to where is our feed located. So this is where we need to sign up to OTNet. So I'm just going to sign up here. Okay, now we just need to check our email for validation. Just validate our account. Okay, great. So as you can see now our account has been validated, so we can now log in. Okay, now first things first, when you first log into the OTNet API, is you'll be asked if you want to insert some dummy data. Now we're going to do this, so this sets us up basically for the whole setup. So let's insert our dummy data. Okay, great. So as you can see, it's gone off and it's run a few API calls for us. It's inserted our default categories in default image groups. If we head over to our channel and take a look at players, we've inserted one player. This player has got metadata associated with it. It's also got media, which is just a Vimeo link. It's got our tracks, our BIF file for trick play files, and our captions. Okay, so it's got everything set up for Roku. So what we can do is we can go in and go to our feeds. Let's go over to the Roku feed, and now we just want to copy the Roku feed URL. Okay, so we can head back to Roku now. Now let's enter our feed URL here, and we can leave all the settings as so. Okay, so we've got our feed URL set up. Now we just need to start adding our logos. Okay, so we can add our logo here, our splash screen, and we can go to 1635 by 80 here. We'll leave the background colors, highlight colors, and continue. Okay, so we can just leave this as standard. Now what we want to do here is you're going to want to add at least one category. Okay, so we're going to add a tag of action, and the category is going to be called action. Okay, so it's based on tags category any matching. Okay, so that's good. So save. So we've got our one category there. Continue. Okay, now we can leave all this. Just going to copy this text here just so we've got a description. Channel poster 540 by 405, so 540 by 405, so this can be our channel poster. Category, this can be for kids and family. Domestic region, we could put the United Kingdom. Yay. Okay, do you want to monetize your platform with video advertising? We're not going to be doing this. Screenshots, so here's where we can paste 2 screenshots, but we're just going to click auto generate. Okay, and click continue. So you can see it's auto generated our screenshot, and we can leave all this additional information. Okay, so I'm just going to pause the video and just put in some of this information here. Okay, so just put some dummy information in here just to get us started. And as you can see now, we are pretty much set up with our feed URLs running. We've got one feed ingested. We can check the feed status. Okay, so you can see we've got one item successfully ingested, which is great, which is what we need. So now all you need to do is set up your Roku TV, input your channel, and then you can start adding more and more data to the channel. What you can do then is you can continue to add your movies. So what we're trying to encapsulate with OTNet is the ability to just have everything in one dashboard, and it will publish out to multiple platforms. Okay, so it will publish out to mobile, smart TV, web, Android, iOS, any kind of setup, or any kind of setup that you want to do as far as calling the API, because we can simply go in here, we can go over to a profile, and we can create access keys. Okay, so we can just create a key that's got get access, and we can take this key, and let's say if we use Postman, which is just a way to grab your data, then we can go to authorization. We're just going to be doing an API key. Okay, and we want to go to the API, so let's go to API here and then send. Okay, OTNet. Okay, so it took off the www, but as you can see, we are now returning all our data that is coming back through the API. So this is really handy. You can grab everything also directly from here to view JSON, and you can see that everything that's getting called through our API as far as content, images. So you can utilize this API to pretty much do anything. We can add persons, we can have our own customers, personalized taxonomies, and literally just completely open for you to build anything on top of this API that you can think of. Thanks.